TikTok has exploded in popularity over the past few years, becoming a powerhouse platform for creators and brands alike. In this video, we'll explore the secrets behind crafting content that not only captures attention, but also goes viral. We'll discuss the latest trends, how to identify them, and the strategies you can use to ride the wave of popularity. For aspiring creators, understanding these trends is crucial, not just for boosting your reach, but also for maximizing your earnings. We'll share tips on how to leverage TikTok's unique algorithm and engage with your audience effectively. So, whether you're just starting out or looking to elevate your TikTok game, stay tuned as we dive into the exciting world of viral content creation and monetization. Understanding TikTok trends. Trends on TikTok are the lifeblood of the platform, significantly boosting visibility and attracting followers. When you participate in a trending challenge or use a popular sound, your content is more likely to be featured on the For You page, exposing it to a wider audience. For instance, recent viral trends like the Savage Love Dance and the Tell Me Without Telling Me challenge have propelled countless creators into the spotlight, leading to increased followers and engagement. These trends not only showcase creativity, but also foster a sense of community among users. To stay ahead in the game, it's essential to keep an eye on TikTok's trending page for fresh ideas and inspiration. By understanding and leveraging these trends, you can create content that resonates with viewers and enhances your chances of going viral. So, don't miss out. Stay updated and let the trends guide your creative journey. Creating engaging content. To truly resonate with TikTok audiences, authenticity and creativity are key. Viewers are drawn to content that feels genuine, so don't be afraid to showcase your personality and unique perspective. Incorporating popular music and effects can also elevate your videos, making them more appealing and shareable. TikTok offers a vast library of sounds and visual effects that can enhance your storytelling and keep viewers engaged. Additionally, experimenting with different formats, such as challenges, tutorials, or behind-the-scenes glimpses, can help you discover what resonates best with your audience. Challenges often encourage participation and interaction, while tutorials provide value and insight. Remember, the TikTok community thrives on creativity, so don't hesitate to think outside the box and try new ideas. By blending authenticity with engaging elements, you'll be well on your way to creating content that captivates and connects with viewers. Utilizing hashtags effectively, hashtags play a crucial role in increasing the discoverability of your content on TikTok. By using the right hashtags, you can significantly enhance your chances of reaching a wider audience. Start by researching trending hashtags that are relevant to your content. This will help you tap into current conversations and trends. It's also beneficial to use a mix of popular and niche hashtags. Popular hashtags can give you broader reach, while niche hashtags can connect you with a more targeted audience interested in your specific content. Additionally, consider creating a unique hashtag for your brand. This not only helps in building your identity, but also encourages your followers to engage with your content and share their own experiences. By strategically utilizing hashtags, you can boost your visibility and foster a community around your content, making it easier for new viewers to discover and connect with you. Before we get into the next topic, I wanted to take a moment to mention I am promoting a course called YouTube Mastery and Monetization. It's an excellent course if you want to learn about YouTube and how to make good money using YouTube. It also teaches how to operate your very own channel, even a faceless channel like I am doing right now. In addition, there is a free webinar that goes into greater detail about this course. I have more information listed in the description below this video for those who may be interested. Now let's continue engaging with the TikTok community. Interacting with your followers and fellow creators is essential for building a strong presence on TikTok. Responding to comments and messages not only shows your audience that you value their input, but also fosters a sense of community. This engagement can lead to increased loyalty and encourages viewers to return to your content. Collaborating with other TikTok users is another effective way to expand your reach. By teaming up with creators who share similar interests, you can tap into their audience and introduce your content to new viewers. Additionally, participating in trending challenges is a fantastic way to increase your visibility within the community. Challenges often attract a lot of attention, and by joining in, you can showcase your creativity while connecting with other participants. Overall, active engagement with the TikTok community can significantly enhance your growth and help you establish meaningful relationships with your audience and peers. Monetizing your TikTok content. Turning your TikTok content into a source of income is an exciting opportunity for creators. One of the primary ways to earn money on the platform is through TikTok's Creator Fund, which pays eligible creators based on their video performance. To qualify, you typically need to have at least 10,000 followers and 100,000 video views in the last 30 days. So focus on building your audience and creating engaging content. Additionally, exploring brand partnerships and sponsored content can be highly lucrative. Brands are always looking for influencers to promote their products, so reach out to companies that align with your niche. Lastly, don't hesitate to promote your own products or services through TikTok. Whether you are selling merchandise, offering online courses, or providing services, showcasing them in your videos can drive sales and increase brand awareness. By leveraging these strategies, you can effectively monetize your TikTok presence and turn your passion into profit. Analyzing performance metrics. Tracking and analyzing your TikTok performance is essential for refining your content strategy and maximizing engagement. Understanding analytics allows you to see what resonates with your audience and what doesn't, helping you make informed decisions moving forward. Key metrics to monitor include views, likes, shares, and comments, as these indicators provide insight into how well your content is performing. Additionally, pay attention to your follower growth and audience demographics to better understand who is engaging with your videos. By regularly reviewing these metrics, you can identify trends and patterns that inform your future content. If certain types of videos consistently perform better, consider creating more of that content. Conversely, if something isn't resonating, don't hesitate to pivot your approach. By adjusting your content based on performance insights, you can enhance your TikTok strategy, boost engagement, and ultimately grow your presence on the platform. Don't forget to give this video a thumbs up if you learned something new or enjoyed the video, and subscribe to the channel for more tips and tutorials on making money online. You can even stay on the channel and watch additional videos that interest you, as we have over 120 to choose from.